In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal account number. Here's the key idea up front. PayPal doesn't use a traditional account number like a bank. Instead, the email address on your account functions as your PayPal account number for receiving money. I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to make sure you're looking at the right one. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official PayPal website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you use extra security, such as two-step verification, complete that as you normally would. After you're signed in, look for the gear-shaped settings icon, typically located near the top of the page. Click that to open your account settings. When the settings page loads, you'll land on the account section. Here, you'll see details tied to your profile, including your primary email address. This primary email is the one that acts as your PayPal account number when someone is sending you money. In other words, if a client, a friend, or a service needs your PayPal account number, you can share this email address, and payments sent to it will arrive in your PayPal balance. Take a moment to read the email carefully and make sure it's the address you expect. If you manage more than one email, it's easy to mix them up, so double check for any typos when you share it elsewhere. While email addresses aren't case sensitive, it's still a good idea to provide it exactly as displayed to avoid confusion. If you're using the PayPal mobile app, the process is similar. Open the app, sign in, tap the gear icon for settings, and look in the account or personal information section to find your primary email. The layout may look slightly different from the website, but you're looking for the same information. The email marked as primary. A quick tip for security: always make sure you're on the official PayPal site or app before signing in, and avoid sharing your email in public places where it might be scraped or misused. If you need to provide it to someone, send it directly and securely. That's all there is to it. Your PayPal account number is simply your primary email address found in settings under the account section. Keep it handy, share it only with trusted sources, and you'll be ready to receive payments without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find exactly what you need, quickly and confidently.